What's up guys, in this video I will guide you on how to properly set up your Nintendo Switch 2 for the first time step by step. Now first things first, right out of the box your Nintendo Switch 2 actually comes with the grip holder over here, which is this, and then there is the Joy-Con straps as you can see over here. You should also get a charging brick just like this one, and also a USB-C to USB-C cable, and then finally there is the red and the blue Joy-Cons as well. Also, before I forget, you should also get the docking station that looks exactly just like this. Now to set up your Nintendo Switch 2, you want to go ahead and turn it on. So just from the top, there is the power button at the left hand side over here. You want to go ahead and just long press on that button to turn it on. Now it is turned on. And now we are asked to attach both Joy-Cons to the Nintendo Switch 2. So you just want to go ahead and place it like so. You also want to do the same thing for the blue Joy-Cons as well, just like so. And we can now continue with the setup process from here. First things first, you want to go ahead and select your language. In this case, I'll be going with English UK. Keep in mind, to select any option, you want to go ahead and press on the A button. To go back to the previous option, you want to press on the B button, and to navigate, you can go ahead and use the controllers over here to navigate. Now you also want to go ahead and select your region. I will select the Americas over here, click on A to select, and now you want to agree with the end user license agreement. So you want to scroll down, click on the accept button, and then just scroll down and click on next. At this point, you'll be asked to connect your Nintendo Switch 2 to your Wi-Fi or hotspot network. So just go ahead and click on internet settings. Now it will start to search for available Wi-Fi's and hotspot network you can actually connect to. Here is the name of mine. I'll go ahead and select it. Use the controllers to navigate through the virtual keyboard we have over here. Or alternatively, you can actually type on the screen because the Nintendo Switch 2 is actually touch screen. Once you're done, you want to go ahead and click on the OK button at the bottom over here. Give it some few seconds, and just like so, it has successfully connected. You want to press on the OK button. Go ahead and select your time zone. I will select the Los Angeles over here, and at this point you will be asked whether you have a previous Switch that you want to transfer your data, maybe like the Switch 1, and you want to send your data to the Switch 2 so that you can continue with your whole gaming history. But we are just going to leave that for now. I have already made a separate tutorial on how to do that, and I'm going to be leaving a link to that particular video in the description of this video. So I will just select the don't transfer data over here, and now you'll be educated on the different modes you can use your Nintendo Switch 2. So there is the tabletop mode, and you can actually play handheld, and then finally you can also play on TVs. This is just for educational purpose, so you just want to click on the next button. And also to educate you, this is just to let you know that at the back of your Nintendo Switch 2 there is the stand. So whenever you want to place it on the stand, you can actually just open this up, and you can actually place it just like this over here. So you can go ahead and try it out. Once you're done, you want to click on the done button over here. Also to educate you on how to use the Nintendo Switch 2, whenever you want to remove the Joy-Cons from the Nintendo Switch 2 screen itself, all you just have to do is to press on the back button over here at the right hand side and at the left hand side. You just want to press and hold, and you should be able to remove it. So from over here, I'll just press it backward, and just like so, I should now be able to remove the red Joy-Con, and the same thing for the blue one as well. I should be able to remove it once I press on the back button from over here, just like so. Now you want to go ahead and click on the next button, or you can actually just do that using your Nintendo Switch 2 Joy-Cons. So even when they are not attached, it actually works pretty well. And at this point, you'll be asked whether you want to connect your Nintendo Switch 2 to TV or just do this later. I'll go ahead and do it later. If you actually want to connect your Nintendo Switch 2 to TV, I'm also going to be leaving a link in the description of this video if you want to watch my tutorial on how to go about doing that. So scroll down and click on later. This is also to enlighten you, so you can actually go ahead and attach your Joy-Cons grips over here to the Joy-Cons so that you can properly hold your Joy-Cons if you have any problem. But for now, I'll just go ahead and skip it. So just scroll down just like so, then click on skip by pressing on the A button over here. This is also to let you know the different modes you can actually play your Nintendo Switch 2. So just press on the OK button. And now you'll be required to create a user or add a user to your Nintendo Switch 2. All you just have to do is to go ahead and click on the next button. In addition to that, you'll be required to create a Nintendo account so that your Nintendo account will be linked to your user. You don't have to worry. I'm also going to show you how to do that in this particular video. But for now, you want to go ahead and click on the add user without signing in button. And then go ahead and select any icon you want for your user. I'll select the Mario Kart user icon over here. Now give it any nickname you want. I'll select B Scholarly, press on the OK button. And now this user has been added to your Nintendo Switch 2 console. You can go ahead and add more users, but for now we are just going to skip this. And at this point, if you're setting up the Nintendo Switch 2 for your kids and you actually want to restrict certain content, you can go ahead and set parental controls and restrict any kind of content you don't want, or set timer for the use of the Nintendo Switch 2. But if you don't want to do all of that, just scroll down and click on the skip button over here by pressing on A. Also, if you have a micro SD express memory card, you can go ahead and attach it right now on your Nintendo Switch 2. To attach your micro SD express memory card, you want to just turn over to the bottom of your Nintendo Switch 2. And if you actually open up the stands just like so, you should be able to find the micro SD card slot over here. So you can go ahead and add your micro SD card over here if you want to do that. If you don't want to do that, we are actually just going to skip it. So you just want to go ahead and click on the skip button. And now what you just want to do is to press on the home button. So press on home. And just like so, we have now successfully set up our Nintendo Switch 2. But it actually does not end here, because without a Nintendo account linked to the user on your Nintendo Switch 2, you cannot access certain online features like the Nintendo Online or being able to download and install apps for the Nintendo eStore. So right now, I'll proceed to show you how to create a Nintendo account for your Nintendo Switch 2. Meanwhile, I already have my Cyberpunk game over here, and that is why it is showing on my Nintendo Switch 2. So to create a Nintendo account, you want to just go ahead and click on the online option over here. You can go ahead and attach your Joy-Cons to your Switch 2 as well. So come over to the Nintendo Online, and now you want to select the user that you want to create and link your Nintendo account to. I'll go ahead and select this account I just created. I'll click on the sign in button. Now, once this page loads, you want to go ahead and get any other device like your phone or laptop. In this case, I'll be using my phone over here. And what you just want to do is to head over to the browser of your phone. Whether you're using an iPhone or Android phone, I'll be using the Google Chrome browser over here. And at the top of your browser, at the top, you want to go ahead and search for Create Nintendo Accounts. Over here on Google, you're going to see the first link is actually the official Nintendo account creation page. So you want to go ahead and click on the new Nintendo account option over here. And at this point, you can go ahead and create a Nintendo account by using your Gmail or your Apple ID. If you do not see the option to sign in with either your Google account or Apple ID, you can actually just check at the top. You should be able to find the Create Nintendo account option at the top or just at the bottom of the page. But in my case, the account creation option is actually at the top over here. So I'll just select my Google account so I can actually sign in with my Google account that is already logged into my phone. I'll go ahead and select the account you want to use to sign in. I'll be using this one over here. And at this point, you basically just want to fill in all of this information. So enter your preferred nickname, enter your preferred password as well. Once you're done, proceed to enter your date of birth, and then finally enter your gender as well, then your region or country. But then make sure you actually check on the check boxes over here to agree with the terms and conditions. Then you just want to click on the submit button over here. And now a verification code is actually going to be sent to your email. So just go ahead and check your email. And as you can see, there should be an email from Nintendo. So you can literally see the email just came in. I'll select it. Now you can literally see my verification code at the top. I will select it as well, copy the code, then proceed to enter it inside of this MP2. Click on the confirm button now, and just like so, a Nintendo account has been created for our Nintendo Switch 2. You can literally see all of my information. Just click on the OK button. And now to sign in your Nintendo account into your Nintendo Switch 2, you just want to go ahead and open up the camera app on your phone so that you can actually scan the QR code over here. And once you open this up on the browser, preferably the same browser that your Nintendo account is already logged in, open it up on the browser. You're going to see that this will actually redirect you to your Nintendo account, and you're going to be asked whether you actually want to link this account to this person over here. So you want to go ahead and just click on the select this person option, and now you're going to see this verification code. Proceed to enter it inside of your Nintendo Switch 2. So I'll enter mine just like so. Once you're done, click on the OK button, then click on OK. And just like so, we will now be asked whether we actually want to link our Nintendo account to this user on our Nintendo Switch 2. All you just have to do is to go ahead and click on the link button over here. And just like so, you are now signed into your Nintendo account on your Nintendo Switch 2. press on OK, and at this point you should now be able to access all of the online features on your Nintendo Switch 2 without any problem. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.